Show you how to export your files so that you can submit me your floor plan. So you need to be in your plan view, so looking at your floor plan like this in 2D mode. You're going to go here to the top and click on Export, and then you're going to select Floor Plan with Furniture. It is going to do an automatic download, as you can see here, of my floor plan. So it's going to generate an image, it's going to show the dimensions and everything that you have in your room. So you're just going to attach that to the assignment. Now, to create your renderings, which are your 3D views, you need to come up to the top here and click on Render. It's going to put you, there we go, let's click that, it's a little slow. It's going to put you in this rendering mode, and as you can see right now, my camera, if we look up here in the top right, is pointing to the corner. I'm going to move that camera back so I can see more of my room. If I click on the front here, the blue circle, I can actually rotate it around. I can also change the background, the view for my window. So if you scroll down here on the left side, you can pick, I can make it like it's winter outside. Maybe spring, early autumn, garden view, metropolis. I'm going to go with that one right now. And when I have it positioned the way I want it, remember I want your views to have as much of the decor and everything in your room as possible. I haven't fully furnished this room, so that's why it's pretty basic. Anyway, once you have it set where you want it, you're going to come down here and click Render. And it's going to do its thing. You're going to see it kind of went up to this images. It's queuing here that it is going to download that, or sorry, it's going to generate that rendering. You need to have two views, so I'm going to do another one from over here. I'm going to swing that camera around so I can see the other side of my room, and then I'm going to click on Render. Okay, and then once I'm ready to see if those are finished, I'm going to go on to my images here. And when they're complete, you'll see there is a little button here that says Download Render. Click on that and it's going to automatically download it. That's all you have to do. This one's still rendering. As you can see, it becomes a very realistic looking image. And then you're going to attach that as well to your assignment. Those are what I'm expecting for your submission.